Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Maggie, and for today's video I am still exploring the Phoera eyeshadow colors, and the color of the day is turquoise. Without further ado, let's go ahead and jump in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and get the Phoera turquoise color. And this was the eyeshadow color that I got from Wish a few weeks back. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just put it on my crease and put it just halfway like that. So the technique for this kind of metallic eyeshadow, especially with Phoera, it's cream, is that I have my brush wet. Okay, so after that I'm going to go ahead and grab my blue color. I would probably do this and do that to get the color that I wanted. I want it like really dark, so okay, I don't know how it's gonna look like right now, but let's go ahead and just put it there. Okay, I think I'm gonna use my finger on that because I don't have nails right now. I'm gonna have it done tomorrow. I'm so excited. So go ahead and do that. All right, here you go. Ew, I don't like my fingers to get dirty. Look at what happened. So I'm gonna grab this color for you guys, and I'm just going to use a flat brush like this. Okay, and then I'm just gonna start putting it over here in the crease. To blend it a little bit more, I have my Morphe M507 to just do it like that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and go to our waterline this time, and I'm going to use my Morphe M326 and touch base with this purple and pink color. And we're just gonna go ahead and put it on our waterline like this. Okay, and we're gonna go ahead and just lighten it up by this little pink color over here. Okay, we're just blending it out. So I think I'm pretty much done with the eyes right now. I'm just gonna go ahead and complete the look, try to contour, put my eyelashes and my eyeliner on, and my lippy, and I will be back. So what do you guys think about the turquoise color from Phoera eyeshadow colors? The first color that I used before were the Paris and Silver. They were pretty good. I do like this color as well. The only thing I can say about the Phoera metallic eyeshadows is that you have to use a wet brush for it to stick into your eyes. So let me know what you guys think. So I'm going to go ahead and put in the comment section down below the link for the swatch video, as well as the Paris and Silver eyeshadow tutorial. Let me know what you think about the video. Please sound off your thoughts and comments down below. And if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Show me some love, and do not forget to push the notification button so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Thank you so much for all your love and support. I really enjoyed creating this video for you guys today. So until my next video, I hope to see you again soon.